based iPhone camera settings for your camera. First of all, what you need to do is go to your settings and then search for camera and go through it. Now click on the record video. Here from 1080p to switch to 4K to 30 fps. As you can see, it is for higher resolutions. Also, make sure that your SDR video is turned on. If it is not, then make sure that it is turned on. Now, go back to your camera settings and then hit on record slow-mo. Here, make sure that it is 1080p SD. Then go to the formats and make sure it is at high efficiency. Also go back and do not forget to check on preserve settings that creative controls and live photo is turned on. Now if you want, then you can also toggle on the grid option, which helps you to take photograph or video in a very easy way. Also, do not forget to turn on prioritize faster shooting. So in this way, your camera setting has upgraded. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please do not forget to like and share our channel. Thank you for watching.